What's up, you guys? How's it going? Thanks for checking in. Here's another watch list coming for Thursday, March 9th. Back in action. I missed 2 days due to late work and pure depression because the market was going down. Let's get this list started. Notable news that I'll provide to you guys is ABML stock. Just found out they're sitting on the largest lithium mine in the U.S. And on top of that, that was a couple days ago. They have news today. They announced that they just signed for a purchase of a pre-existing old school battery recycling facility that has a lot of the mechanical equipment in it they would need to put their newer technology inside of it. And that's ABML. All right, the real list though, starting off with MAXN. MAXN is Maxeon Solar, currently $27.05 a share. Market cap 1.2 billion. Earnings per share misses by 60 cents. Here, I'll give you guys some action. I've been thinking I can provide this here instead, maybe, I don't know, something like this. Where can I put this? Nowhere good. You guys don't get my list. Sorry. I'll just keep reading it. All right. Relative volume 4.3. Average trading range 1.8. Volatility index 66. Earnings per share misses by 60 cents. Sales beats by $10 million. MAXN revenue, I think it's ripping because the revenue guidance for next year and Q4 came in stronger than expected a little bit, or slightly, just slightly stronger than expected, I think. Northland Bank outperform rating with a $31 price target. Raymond James outperform rating with a $24 price target. Roth Capital, I think, is coming in neutral with $21 price target. And this is a multi-year head and shoulders pattern for me. I think like a 2 to 3 year head and shoulders. About a 2 year head and shoulders here with a potential for a breakout beginning now. Volatility increasing, of course. This was a pretty big day though. That's MAXN. Next up, AVAH, Aviana Healthcare. Horrible multi-year chart, but there's something to work with here with this check-in on the 200-day moving average. Either a complete fail may occur, or this thing might decide to claim it and move forward. Currently at $1.57 a share. Relative volume 4.3. Average trading range 15 cents. 70 on the volatility index. $296 million market cap. All right, next up, ARLO. Earnings per share beats by 6 cents. Sales beats by $10 million. Currently $5.35 a share. Relative volume 4.3, 30 cents ATR. Volatility index 46. $480 million market cap for ARLO. Just dropping off, coming up, actually going up, I should say, off of their earnings. This is also a claim and a close above the 200-day moving average. Good sign with a 50-day below it. Potential for some room to work with here. Next up, RIGL, RIGL Pharmaceutical. All right, currently $177 a share. Relative volume 4.2, 14 cents ATR. Volatility index 50 rating and $309 million market cap for RIGL. HC Wainwright is coming in with a buy rating and $15 price target. They do that a lot, I think. But anyways. Next up, we got BCAN. BCAN. Currently $5.20 a share. RVol is 4 today. ATR is 43 cents. Relative volatility 70 on the index, and $138 million market cap for BCAN. News is they're a cannabis software company, and they are entering into something called the sex tech market. Have fun exploring that. I'm not. MCG is next on our list. Membership Collective Group, I think. $7.29 a share. 3.7 RVOL, 57 cents ATR. Volatility index 72. $1.4 billion market cap, hotels resorts company for MCG. Earnings per share has become profitable on the recent earnings drop, and revenues beat by $15 million. MCG. Next up, PLL, Piedmont Lithium. I think it's at $59.34 a share, it looks like. Our vol is 3.1, $4.26 ATR. Volatility index 42. $1.1 billion market cap for PLL. Coming off of recent earnings, March 1st, semi-recent, I guess, a couple weeks. Macquarie outperform rating, giving them a $140 price target. They are getting volume, and they buy up off of the moving averages here, either to claim the middle at least, or tomorrow maybe a continuation where it could claim the 50-day on top there. Piedmont Lithium, PLL. Next up, NMTC. NMTC, Neuro One Medical Technology or Tech or something. Let's see, what is it? Neuro One Medical Tech. Perfect. $1.83 a share. Actually, it looks like we're at $1.90 a share now. 2.1 RVOL, 17 cents ATR. Volatility index 54. $30 million market cap. Earnings per share came in line. Sales missed by a bit, and volume is confirming the hold above the moving average, in my opinion, here with this breakout of that candle kind of range. But this definitely needs to continue for this thing to go ahead and break above the moving averages further here. But if it does, there's some defined levels to work with where you could definitely see this thing will give you some clear signs of movement. Specifically, a breakout of like 220, 219 may become powerful for NMTC. Last on the list is CrowdStrike. CRWD dropped earnings. Earnings per share and sales beats. Currently $128.50 a share. For RVOL, $5.17 ATR. Volatility index 67. I believe these volatility indexes are out of 100. And market cap is $30.2 billion. Earnings per share and sales beat for CrowdStrike. Bank ratings are coming in, like a bunch of them today. Citi is at a buy rating with a 155 price target. BMO outperform rating, 152 price target. Currently at 128 a share. Barclays overweight, 165 price target. There's a few. I'm talking like there's like another 7 that I need to read, so be ready. Barclays overweight with a 165. Evercore outperform with 190 price target. UBS buy with a 165 price target. JBS outperform rating at 235. RBC outperform rating at 160. Wedbush outperform rating 145 price target. Stevens overweight rating 161 price target. Stifle is at a hold with 125 price target, and finally JP Morgan comes in overweight with a 155 price target. Everybody's pretty much lining themselves up to be just around the moving average here. There's a small gap to fill around like the 137 or 138 area. Yeah, you could call this 137 type of a gap. Breakout above that is leading us towards the 200-day around these price targets and around 150 bucks. And that's CrowdStrike, and that is a watch list for you. I try to do this every day. If it doesn't happen, bear with me. Don't just unsubscribe, please. Keep sticking there. Keep sticking with me, and I will do my best to get these watch lists out every night. I'm thinking about ways I can maybe add some of this information on the screen and not have to speak it, but that's going to cause me to take some time editing, so I don't know if I'm going to do it as much, but just trying to put the right amount of time into this so I can provide good information so you can have some news and potential active stocks and stuff to be watching for the next day. Well, thanks as always for checking in. I appreciate you guys. Have a nice night.